हेलो गाइस, माई सेल्फ निधि। वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। आज का टॉपिक शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ दिखाना चाहूँगी। यस, ये तो आप सभी पीते होंगे। ये क्या है? दिस इज़ मिल्क। ओके, सो माई क्वेश्चन इज़, विच टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ homogeneous or heterogeneous? I want to share some basic concepts of colloids.
Colloids. A colloid is a kind of solution in which the size of solute particles is intermediate between those in true solutions and those in suspensions. That means the size of solute particles in colloid is bigger than that of a true solution but the smaller than those of a suspension. Though colloids appear to be homogeneous, but actually it is heterogeneous. Some of the examples of colloids are soap solution, milk, ink, blood, jelly, etc. So, colloids are not a true solutions. Now, another topic is properties of colloids. A colloid is homogeneous but actually it is heterogeneous. For example, if a drop of milk is examined under microscope, we can see the small particles of fat flowing in the liquid. This observation shows that colloids are heterogeneous in nature, though they appear to be homogeneous. Second point is, the size of solute particles in a colloid is bigger than those in true solutions but smaller than in suspension. This evidence shows the Tyndall effect. The third point is, the particles of most of colloids cannot be seen with microscope. The fourth point is, the particles of colloid cannot pass through the filter paper. Though colloids cannot be separated by the process of filtration, but a special technique known as centrifugation can be used to separate the colloidal particles. The fifth point is, colloids are quite stable. And the sixth point is, it scatters a beam of light passing through it. If we talk about the properties of colloids, Tyndall effect is the most important property of the colloids. The Tyndall effect. In true solutions, the solute particles are so small that they do not scatter light. We do not see path of beam of light in true solution. But in colloids, the particles are big enough to scatter light. We can see path of light in colloids. So, scattering of light by colloid particle is known as Tyndall effect.